Hi, good morning everybody. I'm doing now the number 2. I did the first one yesterday. Atomic bird goes purple. So basically it's the same thing as the number 1. We will do some tests: persistence, privilege escalation, defense evasion, credential access. Let's start the virtual machine. Of course you need to have a reminder about this number 1, which basically give you the command you can use so you don't get confused. So we have everything. So start the machine. So that's what we see. Let's go start in this now. So case in between discover and hide. So basically now there's two tests we're doing. Which test one we're doing? We're doing the 2.1 and the 2.2. So insecure credential in file. So okay, and then valid account, local account. So basically creating some dummy account. Storyline paper team aims to simulate discovering credential and click test file and creating local account with masquerading type squattering. We will use this. We'll find it now. One of the test mindset. As a team member, your task is to discover and clear text credential, create account with giving custom atomic and all that. Okay, now we need to do test 0002-1. So we need to start PowerShell. Let's have PowerShell from this screen. If you go back to the other room, that's how you start. Invoke atomic test and the name of the test. So invoke atomic test T0002-1. Let me confirm exactly. It's 2-1. Now let it start. Okay, some PowerShell issues. So basically this one, what is supposed to do? Which PowerShell library file is detected? Okay, this one is search clear text data. Now I tell you what. If I go, let me try something I didn't try yesterday. What was that? Application. This is the log. Start Aurora flag PowerShell. Show detail page. You clean it up. Okay, let's go to our log. Let's start the log. I had issues today with Aurora. I don't know why. Let me make it bigger a little bit so you can see clearly. Okay, one of the things we need to have, not that one. I need the security log. Application log is there. Is something useful here. This Aura agent is there, but it doesn't give me nice information. It just okay. The application doesn't give you, so we mustn't is the security one. So the question is PowerShell library. So let's see from the time the 26th. So this is the latest. So basically process creation, okay. User account management. So let's follow the script when it starts. So when it start this one that we just start now. This is the process creation. This is PowerShell. That's why it start. This is not. It's not our script. Now hold on a minute. Open the file in the document. I was confused now. We don't start with this now. It's the next one. The file in the desktop finding This is the file. Let's see the file, what it said. It said user administrator document Windows PowerShell, it does model PowerShell YAML, then the library, the net, and that. So basically this is the one that is calling. What the hell? So he said the question, which PowerShell library? So it's this one. Then the next question is now go to the atomic path and update the executed script to include all the bugs. So basically what we have, so this file is generated. We'll come back now. Let's go to document, let's go to the C, atomic red team, atomics, our test is 2, number 2, and then if I open, let's open one of them and see what exactly we have there. If you look here, that's the file XML YAML file. So the task for 000201, task this one, so that's the first one. So I assume this one 201, that's our we're doing now. The command is using clear text scan, so this is the file we're looking for. So we need to open clear text, open with notepad. Now if you look here, get children path include XML doc x and exclude this. If you look at the question, said add dot packet, the hint is said your update should start with a comma as a couple of file extensions are listed. So basically if we want to add the bug file, we need to do it here. So we follow the same format here, so it'll be all the file dot bug. So if we save, okay, let's answer this question. So it's comma start dot bug. Now he said run the cleanup, so let's do the cleanup first. No, not you. The cleanup, so let's clean up. So the cleanup command is cleanup. That's the command from previous room if you want to do the cleanup. We did the cleanup, now we need to run it again, so we need to do the same script. Let's close this, let's close this. Don't save, and then after we run it now, open the output and investigate detected file and secret key. So we'll open the same file here, the finding. So where is you see these are new things happen here. User administration old.bug, this file is the same, so we can, can go here, local C user administrator old bug file, so open with notepad, and then okay, so we got backup secret, so we've been able to find the secret file. So basically this one, so basically, oh no, this one. So what is simulation again? You search for clear text data, so basically we found the clear text data or something. Now let's do the cleanup again. And I always like to do the cleanup myself here, so I don't know what if it is a clean it is a clean it everything or not. Clear log, and I also want to clear the sysmon log because that's one of the things I like to use, because my error, I don't know what, it doesn't give me information. I try to sysmon, where are you, sysmon? sy, I can't see sysmon. Let me clear the log for sysmon 2. Now let's run number 2. So we run in number 2. The 2 is supposed to be to create a decoy, to create a decoy account. Remember, we're doing the create a clone a decoy account. So basically, we looking. He said, what is the name of new account? So basically, which one you should pick it up? Let's see if sysmon can get it. Let's refresh. What was the ID for? You see, we're looking for a user created, file created. No, what file created there? Yeah, this is when it run the script. This is the sysmon is not getting me what I'm looking for, the host name. PS, the last one is, let's go to the security log. I don't know why this sysmon today is. The security log should give me the date. Let's say the date from the start. So we have 47. So this is the earliest. Log was clear, the process start. You're looking for host me, it's always starting this way. Then who am I? And then we're looking for, because we're looking for users, just looking for user creation 4720. The 4720 is the one that create users. If you look carefully here, he said a user account was created. Watch very carefully the name here, administrator. There's a misspelled an I missing. Yesterday I spent time on these things. You see admin I missing, so you can see it was now it's log. Usually if it's a user created, you just look for an event ID 4720. So you have now a new user was created. So we got the user, we do what we need to do, clean up. Because when you clean up, you have a log, short log, so it's good for quick. So let's delete clear log here. Sysmon sometimes it give us good information. Let's clear it too. So we need to know clear log, clear my friend. The next one is this one. Now what we're doing here, manipulate deface persistence. Okay, so we have this internal defacement, modify registry. So we need to have a registry, create and modify system processes. So this is a new process, and query registry. So we have two registry, the service and that. Okay, so the first one is 3.1 internal service creation. So we're looking for service creation, so we can do 3.1. Now we should look for service. I forgot what's the event ID for the service, but we can come now. Let's see if our friend, where is the refresh button? This is the refresh button. We're looking for the service. So if we let's leave when it starts, register value set. You can see 37. So this 04. So that's where it starts. It starts always here, host. Then who am I? Then of course that PowerShell starting. Again PowerShell. The PowerShell, the script is running now, is before it start doing what it's supposed to do. Oh, you can see now which is instead target object registry HKLM system current control set service is a new service. TryHackMe registered service start. So this is the the service. Let's confirm. Let's see if I can find it in the registry. Where is supposed to be? TryHack. Can we search? Find. Let me see if it's that one. TryHackMe dash registered. Oh, where is supposed to put it? I forgot. It's a current control set service TryHackMe system. Why is it taking too long to find something? So we find something is a TryHackMe registered service. Let's see if the security log pick it up. It should pick it up too. Is the date 38? So the last one is that process creation. What process he has this? No, we're not looking for this. User account management, log clear. Process creation. What process here? Where's the registry? This is security log. It's supposed to have that's very funny. The security log couldn't pick it up. Oh, register edit, yeah. It's this process creation. Smart screen. No, this is not. This is when script start. So let's put it there. Oh, you found it, yeah. And the what? Computer local machine system. Yeah, there is a system. So it's under local machine control set service. TryHackMe registered service. So that's the one. So we are right. This is a new service was created. So we can have that. Why is not going fast? Then okay, we can get all things now. What is the image is used to set the registry value of the created service? So now we can see the image is somewhere image path. It's not the image. What image is used to set the registry value for the created service? This is the script, not the image. Image path. Object name control. Defacement PS1. Let's do this something quickly. Let me go back to Sysmon. Sysmon should have this answer. Process creation. This is service here. I'm not talking about users. I need to look for the process. These are register, but it doesn't tell you what. Let me do find. Can you pick it up? TryHackMe dash registered. No, so we need to go to Sysmon. Sysmon should pick it up. Find. Okay, Sysmon will find it. So we have there. Find next one. Image path detail C Windows. So it should be PowerShell who did the. That's a damn question again. Which image is used to set the registry value for the created service? Registered value. So it need to be about registry here. This is the one that create the file. HKM, that's a registry current. Find. Let's see. Is the next one? Nope. No, I'm seriously lost. I mean, if I follow it would be this one, but it doesn't look is the correct one because this is the image path of the. So you tell me is this one? Can't be. It's. I'm not sure. I don't think it's. No, it's not. It's not the one that did the registry. Where's the registry? Let the registry value set. Oh, that's the image. Let me write the question correctly. Which image is used to set the registry value for the created service? Okay, this is the target object. This is the image, so that's the registry. The image is this. The one that activated the service. So what it means? This is the image path of. So what the hell is this for? PowerShell. How to start it or something. I'm not sure because here I tell you the image is this. So. Okay guys, that's my best explanation. I'm not sure exactly what let's go to the next one. Next one is 3.2. Before we do, let's clean up this first. As always, let's clear log. Let me go to system also because sometimes it's better to play around it so we can clear log. I need to run now 3.2. What 3.2 use with 3.2 use? What is the ransom note? Okay, ransom note defacement with the registry. So this is the 3.2 defacement with the registry. So it's a defacement with the registry. So you can say we're looking for the registry entries. So let's refresh. 3.2. Why there is no login? No, I didn't clear log for security. Ay. So it will have the old log, but let's go to Sysmon quickly. Refresh. Let's follow the dates. So it's 4656. So that's the last one. because we know it's a defacement with the registry, so we can flip to the registry straight. You can see what's happening here. Is a PowerShell image around this, and there is a legal notice somewhere in the registry. HQLM. Yeah, you already give us the flag, it's here. But we can look for this HQLM. Let's see if we can put it straight here. No, it's not copying. You know, sometimes I get so this is the path policy system, and this is a file called log. We already have the answer, it's here, but let's play around. So legal notice, and then the value of data is this, so we already have the answer now. So it means the ransom was put inside the registry, so there is a value inside the registry that you can see. Now we have the value here. The next one is 33, so now we need to clear first before we go anything. Clean up, and let's this time make sure that we clear the logs also here. Where are you? Clear logs, clear. Then let's go to security also in case we need it. So security also should, I like to use both of them in case one doesn't give me the answer. The next one is 3-3. What does 3-3 do? 3-3 is file change like a ransom. So something file change. What is the updated file extension? So they modify up file change like a ransom. So basically okay, security, refresh, we have this. So 5323, let's follow the times. So this is the earliest file change, so do file system extension. So it must be some of this PowerShell file system. Anything suspicious here? PowerShell, because it's changing extension. So empty trash, my disk. What happened here? Security file. An attempt was made to access an object. What's the object? Computer certificate. The dog. What's the question? What's the updated file extension? Why are you trying to access company.certificate? Okay. He's also trying to access that file too. What's this? Administrator file system. Write data, add file. Okay, next one. Donation is also accessing this file. Donation call. And then in security. Okay, hold on. What's this? Attempt was made to access an object. Invoice with file change. They keep asking accessing these files. Now you're accessing the PDF one. Okay, so we just ask if you change in no online sale tracker.x, online sale, write or add file. So what now is accessing all files in that S drive. Access delete, okay. S drive. Now you're accessing this company certificate TryHackMe dot TryHackMe dot. Oh no, hold on. Now it is something happening. An attempt was made to access an object. You see now this wasn't like that before. Where is it? Company certificate dot TryHackMe dot John. If we go back, that things wasn't. This is not what he did. Let me confirm now. You see now is a change in all of them. So basically before he was accessing them as a PDF. If we go back, so company certificate dot doc. So the doc now .txt donation call.txt, and then you can see what happened later on is changing everything to this. You see, so everything changed to .thm dash jhn. So basically everything. So basically he read the file first. He was reading the list and then rename them one after one. Okay, so we got that. So now let's clear the clean up. Let's do that. Now let's clear the log. Let's clear log in sysmon 2. As I said, sometimes you don't find something, you can use the other thing. The next question is 3-4. What 3-4 do? 3-4 is a planning reverse shell command in the registry. So we have a registry reverse. Okay, so we need to look for the registry. So let's see if sysmon can pick it up. Refresh. Let's date. Let's see. Straight go to the registry. Process creation. This is 7. Let's see the time. So this is the earliest. That's how you start. Then file create. That's what you use the PowerShell start in. Same process. This is when you the atomic start. You can see I found it. It's already here. Yeah, you pick it up. You can see it's doing the registry, and let's look for this. We can see the command is nc that. So if I go to the registry, let me try if I find it in the registry. Straightforward. Where is that registry? software. Where you had it? Let me. Where you hiding? Software. Revision C2. Where is revision C2? Where is this directory? No, we can see the command. It's nc. Let's do that find command I did last time. No, let's see if we can find tryhackme.jhn and that the IP. Let him find it, but we can see the what it adds. That's the nc command, so we have it there. So the question is, where is it? Where is add? Let's ask our friend the security log. The security log should pick it up too. Process creation. Let's do that. Log clear process creation. Is all, yeah, the registry also he got it. So, and add HKM software revision 2 callback. So it's also on this the PowerShell. I just want to know where the hell is key? It's in the HKM software rev C2. Okay, I hope let's see if he doesn't finish it. So then we finish the room, guys, and then you get. I hope you enjoy it. Please like and share. I'll try to make the other rooms. You get the reward. You get this one, little bird changing hats. But Yuki, why did it take long to search the registry? He couldn't find it. Any case, so we can find it. Then of course we're done with the room. Thank you guys and enjoy your day. Have a good day.